Loss of housekeeping capacity. What it means in injury claims. When we think about injury compensation, we often think of medical bills or lost wages. But what about the everyday tasks you can no longer do, like cooking, cleaning, or caring for your kid? That's where the loss of housekeeping capacity comes in. It's real, legally recognized part of your personal injury law in Alberta. Loss of housekeeping capacity refers to your inability to maintain your home the way you did before your injury. It could mean you cannot vacuum or mop because of your back pain. You cannot lift laundry or carry groceries. You need someone to help you with your childcare or yard work, even if you are not earning income from these tasks. The law recognizes their value. Courts consider the loss of independence and dignity and may award compensation for it. Why it matters, especially for parents, caregivers, or those living alone. The impact of not being able to perform housekeeping can be significant. You may need to hire help or rely on family, which still has a cost. We work with occupational therapists, doctors, and sometimes economists to measure what tasks you cannot do, how long this limitation may last, the market value of replacing that labor.
Threshold injury, FAQs. Can I still claim if my injury is capped?
Yes, courts recognize the value of that unpaid assistance.
Who decides if my injury meets the threshold?
No, even temporary losses may be compensable if they last long enough.
Does the threshold apply to every type of accident?
Strong documentation like medical notes and expert reports make your claim more credible.